Greetings. Just purchased the new GE Profile one and done all-in-one washer dryer combo. I think it's fantastic. Before I bought this was I wanted to know what sort of noise the unit made. So could not find any videos showing it drying. So I'm making one. This guy right now is drying a massive oversized comforter for my king size bed, and you can hear the noise right now. That's as loud as it gets. So the drum will actually alternate back and forth. The majority of the noise is coming from the heat pump, which is up here in the top of the unit, but it's much quieter than my previous dryer. What it sounds like is a really quiet, really well balanced washer on spin is about how much noise it makes. So I'm going to walk away from the laundry room. You barely hear anything. Super stoked with this unit. I cannot believe that it dried this king size comforter and washed it within 2 hours and 20 minutes. So super pleased so far. I'll post a more full review at some point.